Okay, we're going to boil our eggs today. This is still Easter, so happy Easter still. We got 18 eggs. Start them out in cold water. We're going to boil them for 10 minutes. And then we're going to turn them off. Let them set in the water for 10 minutes. Then pour the water out. Start coloring our eggs. Hope y'all like this. Oh my God, you see what I about did? Dumped them out on the floor. Broke them. Oh my God, that would have been an awful mess. I'm glad I didn't do that. Uh-oh, one stuck to the carton already. Well, we got it. Okay. Now, my grandma always put salt in them before she boiled them. Okay. Now you turn them on high. Wait 10 minutes till they start boiling. Then turn them off. Put a lid on them. Let them sit there 10 minutes. Pour the water out. Then put cold water in. There you go. Okay, we setting up the kit right now. Okay, we got a blue one for the yellow one. Orange. Got a purple, it looks like. Another purple. And a green. Okay, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of vinegar and rest water. That was my homemade vinegar right there. And we got our little egg thing right here. And we got food coloring in case we want different colors. They're boiling, so now we're going to wait 10 minutes before we turn them off and put the lid on. Okay, our eggs done been sitting there 10 minutes with the lid on them. It's time to pour them out. And then we're going to put them in cold water. Let them sit there another 10 minutes. Then we're going to dye the eggs. Okay, it's time to dye the eggs. Here we go. Y'all get one. Put it in the color you want. That should be red. That's orange. Okay. Now it's my turn. Cameron, it's your turn.
One in that.
Yeah, there's one in there.
Oh.
There ain't one in this one though.
Yes, there is.
No.
Well, put it in one of them. It don't matter. Go ahead, Cameron.
There's no room.
Just stick them in there. They'll be all right. When you take the others out, it'll be all right. Go ahead, Ronnie. See, that way you can dye them different colors if you want to. Okay, we're going to try these for right now. See what we're going to find. Let them sit there for a few minutes. And then we'll do the rest of them. Oh, that's going to be some dark colors, that is. Oh, dark green. Now, after I get all these out, y'all can dip them in different colors if y'all want to. The rest of them if y'all want to. Oh, that's pretty colors. Y'all ready for them to get them out? Okay, here we go. Let's see what colors we got. We got yellow. Oh, look at this dark color. Got another pretty duck color. Oh, we got a pretty orange. Pretty green. Look like a pink and a dark. Look like a light pink. Oh, now look how dark that one is. Yay. Okay, we're going to see what the blue looks like. Here it comes. Oh, it's pretty. Look at it. We got a pretty orange one. Oh my God, this is green dark. Oh my God, look how pretty. And another light pink. Okay, that's all of them. So now y'all pick out which one you want now. Ooh, go ahead, Ronnie. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to take my egg out of this one. And I'm going to put it in this one. And then put my other egg in the yellow for right now. Karen, you want to put yours in a different color? Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to take mine and dip it in the blue. Oh, I like that. Ronnie's got a two-tone egg. Are you done with it?
No, I'm gonna put
Okay.
tip on it.
Okay.
Need a white crayon where you can write
Yeah.
the name on it.
Oh, it don't matter. Okay, now mine's got that big white spot on it. See it?
Big yellow spot.
Yellow spots. Now I want to turn it over and get it more yellow. Okay, there's Ronnie's egg. Okay, let's see what mine end up looking like. It's got a big stripe, yellow and green on one side. Get in there. Okay, Cameron, you ready for yours?
I guess so.
Oh, look how pretty Cameron's is, a big blue one. Okay. Now we got this. Here we go. Oh, we got a big green one here. Dark green one. Oh, now we got another dark one.
Hmm.
This is our eggs. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thanks everybody for watching this. Have a happy Easter and good night. Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. Thanks for watching.